shopper, 200 shots. Bang, alright, you run, bang.
Yeah. Look at the size of that starter too.
Looks like it was leaking something too.
Yeah, probably. Who knows? Oh, valve cover looks like it's leaking. Yeah, so 3.2 liter. And it's Romanian built. And the fuel, that's so funny, you put the fuel tank in the engine bay. So that the fuel doesn't gel up, that's hilarious.
The fuel tank is literally a plastic bottle.
Yeah. Nice. Gotta paint the radiator red. Cold air intake with a little bit of home tubing. Oh yeah, it's like a Dodge Demon. All he's gotta do is take the headlight out and route it right there. You painted red over it.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds above my gravity centered. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours.
He calls that a basket.
Shit.
That's quality. Professional.
These hearts adore everyone the other beats hardest for.